I didn't want to just be a good product manager. In fact, I wanted to be a great one. I wanted to stand out. Hi, I'm Meha Sinha, and I believe in growth. Growth in everything, whether it's personal or professional. My desire to grow and learn something new that drove me towards MBA from one of the best B schools in the world. Post MBA, I got a job as a sales and supply chain consultant at Verizon Telematics in New York. Life was just great in Manhattan. However, uncertainty did play its part, and I had to return to India. So, upon my return to India, I decided to switch to product management as I was already exploring this field in New York City. And after coming back, I did some initial research, talked to cohort members, and then zeroed on upGrad. I was surprised that none of the courses available could actually deliver the mix of knowledge and practical skills that I was looking for. So at that point, certification made complete sense to me. And there it was, upGrad. I found my answer. Their ideas, thoughts, style of teaching, and everything matched my style of learning completely. Now, after completing this course, I got a job at Zest Money as a senior product manager. And I can proudly tell to the world that upGrad taught me that learning shouldn't be bound by time or place. I learned that it is not the course, but the content of it. I enjoyed my freedom to learn product management at my own pace, but it was not all loosey-goosey, like you can't skip project deadlines and lots of other things. I think what is amazing about upGrad is that it has become my mothership. It is like my go-to place for any advice, any guidance that I require on product management at any time.